Here is exactly how I set up a campaign that books real appointment and a visited for my one of a dental practice client. So right now I am on my client's ad account and I just finished creating this one campaign right now, and it is this time. And if I go over here right now, we have this current campaign active running, and we just run it in the 2 days ago. And with this client we have spent a bunch of the money, and we have got a bunch of the results that he could expect. And now in this video exactly I'm going to show how I actually set up this campaign, especially that one just 2 days ago we ran that almost got visited, and the new campaign we are actually right now running. So let's not actually waste any further time, and let's go and actually see what I have built here. So with this campaign right now, which is our main which is our objective of this campaign is lead. This is lead, and our target audience are 30 plus to 60 plus. That is our target audience right now we have. And this is our campaign lead, and we have within the local areas of 9 kilometer, and we have used the testing budget which is we are doing right now, ABO, ad set budget optimization. And these are two same ad set, we are just used differently. And we have used $1.5 for this new campaign for testing for some days, and we will scale it gradually. And with if I talk about our creatives, we have used the videos as a videos, and we have used their hook, we have used the DCT, which is dynamic creative testing there. And our main book for this campaign is to not just book appointment but also got the real result. And with this campaign we have all this here creatives, hook, this is all we have used, at least all the variation 5.5 we have used. And with this creative talking, we have like this creative, and our which is goal is to book appointment and to get the visitor. That's why with another campaign which we ran just 2 days ago, we have already got visited, and also the treatment is going to do the six, or the my client has already done the which is his deal. And I chose this audience, which is my audience are that, which is because my client is within that area. So we actually wanna do in the five to 9 kilometer of that area. And this creative has been working well for us because it speaks to the pain point, and that's why we do. And once we actually run these ads, and I'm actually quietly going to run ads with you because I have to publish it, because and we have the conversion in instant form. We could use website for right now because we have the limited budget. We my client and my we are using the instant form, and we are using the performance goal maximum of the number of conversion leads. Make sure you guys don't use the which is, even if you are actually running the e-commerce or selling product, don't use just number of the views, number of the checkout, but purchase should be there. Or for us it is maximum number of conversion. So we use this one, and our we are using DCT, dynamic creative testing, and we have the $1.30. And if I go over here, and exactly you'll see that right now we have this location included, and we have just detailed targeting only 3 or 4 or 5 inches for this dental implant. And we have the advantage plus placement, and we can also use the one that doesn't actually quietly need, because we don't actually need to add the platform audience network, because we just need to do with the Facebook and Instagram, and we don't need to go with this one in instant. So make sure you guys have Facebook stories and reels and search result are enabled, because this might be good. So right now this is all campaign we have to make, and once this campaign is run, I will be able to call the leads and book appointment directly for the clinic, and everything will be good, means the appointment will be visited, and I will share some results soon. But before that, let's actually but here this campaign goal is to actually get the real patient in just few days. And if you also have already early results like this, or if you are also running ads right now but actually don't getting result, there might be some problem with the camping itself. You guys might not have the targeting there, or you are doing the so much narrow targeting. Make sure you only use like a 3 or 4 inch space, even if you are using, and it should be within the local areas. Or if you're selling product, make sure you guys have within the location you are selling, or within the location your product can be shipped. So that's how we do it. And so actually follow me how I actually got I have run, and let's actually publish this ad set. I've just done it published. And if you are also running a ads or for your business, then stay tuned. I will exactly show you step by step that gets result. So we have just launched this campaign, and if I go over here, you will exactly see we are using the DCT, and probably it's not coming over here. So we have to actually go over here. We have to go over here. We have to also publish through the over here, because probably it's not being published. Yeah, it's being published, but it takes time, so you make sure be wait. So now with the instant form, we have pretty much used the 5 to 6 qualification questions, because we, from the seriousness, from their budget, from their what is their approximate budget, how, when are they looking to get started, we could actually use bunch of the question. But make sure you don't actually use for your local business, because that doesn't actually help you at all. And make sure your description, contact information are pretty much good, and your privacy policy and everything should be good. So right now you see that it's processing, means it has been run. And if I go over here, you will probably see that it's probably not being shown over here, but it has been run right now. So this is how we actually have done it, and it already show in the reviews, and it is on the reviews. So actually this is how I have actually set my campaign for my one of this client, for dental client. And the result we have got with this dental practice client is that we have spent a lot of money, we have got a lot of leads, we have got almost, out of this, let's suppose there are 100 of people, and out of the almost 10 people has visited the practice, and almost 5 of them were or wanted to do the full arch dental implant. So this is how we have done it, and for this campaign we are actually now going to stop it. Now if you ask me why would you want to stop it, well, this campaign we want to stop it because we have done there so much narrow targeting, so we don't want that. And if I now go, it's already so is the review. So this is how you guys actually do that. Now let's actually put this campaign together in inactive, because I have already told you this campaign is going to be off for right now, because this campaign was for only testing purpose. So we just wanna turn it off, and make sure you just don't turn it off on the campaign level. You make sure turn it off on campaign ad set and ad level, because it might be spending more money even if you don't actually turn it off. So this is how we do it. So now the camping has been turned it off, and now let me go over here. And guys, it might take almost for your local business or for your store to get up to the active for almost 2 to, from reviews to processing or preparing, 12 hours to actually get to the active. So make sure you have the budget, and you see that it's right now showing the in review, so it means it's being reviewed. So this is how I actually structure my whole campaign for my this client, and the result we have got is awesome. Well, yeah, this is how I have done exactly, guys. So if you exactly want to know how I've done in more deeply, or have any question, or want to help with anything for your local business, then, or actually have any question, you can comment down below. I will make sure to reply you. So make sure that in the last thing before we end up this video, that make sure your campaign has a clear objective, clear goal, and your audience, your creative, because those are the important things you ever would need, because that's how all the practices, gender practices, roofing companies, e-commerce stores, or anyone running ads would require to get the best results. So I'll make sure to actually tell you again that don't just run ads or just add something there and expect result. You need to have everything. So hope this video brings some value, and if you have any question you can comment down below and I'm here to help you, or just yeah. So I will catch you in the next video.